Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to DIY tomato plant upside down in a plastic bottle. The reason why I put this plant upside down is because when this plant is watered, the excess water drains out from the bottle, making the plant grow healthier. Also because the plants have a great tendency to bend and stay stable, this method is preferred. In this way, you can also recycle your plastic. So if you get enough sunlight at your home, you can make this at your backyard or terrace. In the meanwhile, if you like this video, please like and subscribe this video for more innovative planting. So you will need the following materials to build it. Starting with a plastic bottle, you will need to cut the bottom of the bottle with a blade. Then you will need a drill machine or a nail to make holes. So you will need to make 2 holes at the opposite direction, making sure that the bottle stays balanced. So now you should pass the nylon thread into the hole and tie it up. You can tie that up as a lace for the shoes. Now let's tie up at the next end of the hole. So yep, it is done. Just pull it to see it doesn't come out from the weight. Then tie the thread upward of the bottle to make it stable. Now let's take our tomato plant out from the self-watering pot. These are the clay balls, also called as hydroponics, which are specifically used for hydroponics. And now you can see the root of the plant looking very healthy. So let's get the soil over here, and then you need to put this plant inside from the bottle cap end as the roots are thin. So now to hold the soil, put a cloth around the stem of the plant. You can roll it and it will spread inside the bottle. So this soil is 50% compost and 50% garden soil. You'll need to fill more than half the bottle while holding the roots of the plant straight. So here's our tomato plant built within 10 minutes inside the bottle. Now when you water it, you could see that the excess water drains out from the bottom, making sure that there is no excess moisture in the soil. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video.